Today we celebrating Martin Luther King, a man who gave his life for human rights, a man who helped change everything. He said no one should be judged by the color of the skin, but by the love they have within. Basically, let's all be friends, all are created equal. No one should ever treat you less than another person, cause you all have different features. Remember what Martin teach you, don't let pride mislead you. He stood for unity, and he chose to do it peaceful. Remember, he can see you looking down from heaven. We have to make him proud. Long live the Reverend. We gotta love each other, even if we're different. That's what the doctor ordered. I hope you get the message. Martin had a dream, Kendrick had a dream. We have to live his dreams. Stay woke, don't fall asleep. Remember, Martin had a dream, Kendrick had a dream. Make his dream your dream. Stay woke, don't fall asleep.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is the third episode in our series. This is the final one for the Black History Month that we are going to do. This is not an original look. I was actually scrolling through Instagram on Monday or Tuesday, I think it was, and I came across this look by, I think it was Rika the MUA. I'll leave her Instagram tag below so you can go and check her out. But I saw this and I thought, let's do that, and that is exactly what I did. I think she murdered that look, and I think that I've come like pretty close. Without further ado, this is the look that we are going to do today. So if you guys want to see how I have achieved this look, just stay tuned and I'll go through it as I normally do with you, step by step.
Well, them can't dictate my pace like the old people say. You can't study people who go help you when you're back against the wall. You can't study people who go pick you up in case you fall. If they don't like you, then you're doing something right. Just keep on doing it, doing it. Let them respect you for spend.
Right, you guys, so we're starting with one eye completed as we normally do, and we're just going to replicate that over here. We're starting with one brow already completed and cleaned up. So I went in with the Technic brow pencil, the black one, and I cleaned it up with the LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer, which is in the shade Toffee. Today we are going to be using the Myo Pigment stacks. And we are going to be using the red shade right here, the neon yellow shade right here, and the neon green shade right here. So we're going to be using both of these to complete our look. Now that that is completed, we are going to go in with the Revolution Conceal and Define C0, and we are going to cut our crease with that. first crease is cut, and we're just gonna go in and we are going to put the ice gold in green just at the top, and then we're gonna cut the crease again with some black gel liner. Now we're going to be using the black, black gel liner just to cut the crease a second time. Right, you guys, so our eyes are completed and we're just going to move on and do our base as quick as possible so that we can draw our fist. Right, so I'm just going to use my Technic brow pencil to do my drawing, and then I'll fill it in with the gel liner and all that good stuff. Right, so as you guys can see, I have just literally drawn the outline of the hand. It doesn't make any sense for me to fill it, like put my lines in, when I'm just gonna have to go over all of it with a gel line. So I'm just gonna go over it with the gel liner now. Right, so we are going to go in and try and define the fingers a bit more. So I'm going to go in with the gold glitter liner and some gold glitter, as I normally do. You guys, we are finished. So I'm just gonna go and sort myself out really quick, and then I'll be back in a second. Right, you guys, and we are back. This is the completed look. I hope you guys liked it. So let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment below, click like, tell a friend to tell a friend, and remember to subscribe and come back to my channel. So I'll catch you guys in my next series. Bye for now.
Martin had a dream, Kendrick had a dream. We have to live his dreams, stay woke, don't fall asleep. Remember, Martin had a dream, Kendrick had a dream. Make his dream your dream, stay woke, don't fall asleep.